दे लगा, let's crack it, खेड़ को छोड़ दे, let's crack it, रास्ते मोड़ दे, let's crack it, चल उठ जा, let's crack it, जोर दे लगा, let's crack it, खेड़ को छोड़ दे, let's crack it, रास्ते मोड़ दे, let's crack it.
Hello everybody, I'm Meenakshi Upadhyay and Arun Sharma and I have been training for the CAT exam for more than 20 years now, and in these times of coronavirus, questions like why MBA, what should you be specializing in, and what should be your best profile so that you get selected to the top B schools, these kinds of questions are plaguing us. So we are going to be there live on a webinar very soon for you to join us and ask these questions.
Thank you so much and look forward to having you there and answering all your questions on that webinar. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
कर दिखा कुछ क्योंकि तेरे हाथ में है करने का अभी मौका तेरे पास में है करते जा लड़ते जा हिम्मत नहीं हार सबको करके दिखा क्या तेरा भाई तेरा दोस्त तुझसे बोल रहा कर दिखा लड़के दिखा